This is very interesting question. We are solving 6 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of 1 minus 4 squared minus 3 cubed divided by 9. 6 to the power of 0 equals 0. No. 6 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 6 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Right? So 1 plus 5 to the power of 1 is not equal to 1. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5, right? So 5 minus 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16, right? So 16 minus 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 27 divided by 9. Minus 27 divided by 9. So now division must be done before subtraction and addition. So divide first. So 27 divided by 9 equals 3, right? So minus 16 and minus 5 and plus 1. Now addition and subtraction left to right. So 1 plus 5 equals 6, minus 16 minus 3, right? Now 6 minus 16 equals minus 10 and minus 3. Now minus 10 and minus 3, 13. Keep the negative sign.